YouTube. What we have here is Sedona. We're going to install a remote starter. So this is a 2020. This is the interior. So a push to start button. So we're going to install a remote start. So let's do it. Okay, so we begin to take the kick panels. So we're gonna take this panel out, take the steering panel out, and the side panel here. That's where we have to remove. So you pop this panel here, the side panel, because there's a screw on the side, one here and one over there. Basically there's 3 screws, and there's 1 screws all the way there. So you have to pop this side here first, and then this side here, pop it, and you're gonna before you pop the panel out, make sure you take the hood lever. There's a screw on the in the middle. You have to remove the screw first, and then you can pop the panel. You can pop this out and pop the panel out. And right here. So now the wires that we need is exposed, and then next is this side here we have to remove. Okay, so now everything is removed. What's next is the steering cover. So there's a screw here. Once you remove that, they should pull off, but first you have to remove the top cover first. So remove the top cover. Once you remove that, so right now it's pulled off. There's actually a screw here. There's 2 screw here, 1 screw on the left and right of the steering. So that's why you have to lift this up to expose these screws. So what we're going to put today is the Prostart 2-in-1, and here's the module, the wires, and the remote. Alright, so basically we're done here. So all the wires is set up. This is your 12 volts, color white. Your ignition would be blue, second ignition is green, and your starter is red, right? And your parking light is on the orange, green orange on by the switch here, the back of the signal light switch. And that's it. So everything hooked up, bypass module hooked up. So that's it. We're gonna put this back and see. Let's try it. Alright, we're basically done. Everything is back in place. So let's try it. Close the door. Lock the vehicle. Right. To start it, because this is a 2-way, you can see it's locked. To start it, just press this button here. There you go. You have confirmation right there. It's flashing. That flashing there, that's a confirmation that the vehicle started. This vehicle will start for 15 minutes countdown. After that, it will shut off. So this vehicle is actually have what they call takeover. You unlock it because some of the because this vehicle is a push button, push to start button right there. So there is no key to put it in, right? So to take over this vehicle, you have to of course. So to take over this vehicle, you have to close the door, right? And then you cannot press the brake pedal, because if you press the brake pedal, it will shut off for security reason. So, well, actually, to take over the vehicle without restarting it, you have to press the brakes and the push to start at the same time, just once. So I'll press the brake and start to I don't have to mean the vehicle so the vehicle won't shut off. There you go. You see that? So now it's take over now, meaning the vehicle now it's running the engine, not the remote start. So at this point you can drive the gear and go, and then when you arrive you just press this button and it will stop. There you go. So that's it. That's for this vehicle. Because some of the push to start button, they don't have takeover. When you open the door, it will shut up. So the good thing about this is that you can do the takeover. All right. So yeah, basically the vehicle is done. Thank you for watching. And if you like, subscribe. Thank you.